Welcome to Craftastic, an art and craft marketplace where we design to give you a perfect look. Our mission is to preparing quality products, transforming unemployed person to self-reliant one, and to get a good profit as well as managing the whole system as a marketplace. In this introductory video, you can see a short overview of our projects and the systems of our company and marketplace and how functionally we control it. Proper and effective communication between producer and customer is the backbone of any business project. Our plan is to develop the communication and relation more strong with the help of Craftastic's website and Craftastic app. Customer can easily place orders through the official app or website or even the Facebook page as well. As we are from Bangladesh, so to make customers feeling more and more comfortable, we also have our website in Bangla version too. Viewers can easily choose the language version they want to see and communicate. One more noticeable thing is that we also give our contact information as employment purposes. Those who want to be a part of our training project can easily contact us and take the training with proper care, and they can also join us as designer or worker. We ensure direct communication, easy distribution of product and online banking for sending and receiving money. We have four missions. There are preparing products, product promotion and taking orders, giving training to the trainees and finance. We will provide high quality products. We respond immediately to the changing needs of our clients by preparing high quality products. We improve our services continuously and achieve complete customer satisfaction. We continuously promote our products and deliver their products in customized designs, also according to the customer's need. The unemployed girls or women who waste leisure time in the countryside, we will help them to become entrepreneurs self-reliant. Our target market is usually for people between the age of 15 to 40. Demographics are a key part of our small business marketing strategy. Our strategy is the statistical study of population. Psychographic is defined as a technique where our group are formed according to psychological traits that influence consumption habits drawn from people's lifestyle, personality, value, opinions, attitudes and interests. Our budget market is actually that 59% people who are connected with internet in the most of their time. We will automate our marketing, align our group communications with popular events and dates. We will reach our customers through multiple channels, occasions, popular events. We are working on 4 products. There are design clothes, handmade jewelry, photography, art and design. Design clothes is the main product of our company. We need different types of cloths and fabrics, acrylic color, acrylic color and block, digital printing machine to complete a design cloth. We work on Punjabi, shari, kameez, fotua, t-shirt and baby dresses. Have a look to our design cloths. These are some of our hand-printed silk, cotton, georgette and muslin sarees. As everyone knows, Rajshahi silk and Dhakaiya muslin are very famous and in demand all over the country and world, so we have these high products in our stock market. These are some of our design t-shirts which are printed after we design them. There are some colorful and amusing baby dresses too for the sweet babies which are designed by us. I would like to summarize the last year profit earned on the design cloths. We have sold 5 sarees in the last 1 year at double price. Total cost has been 200 to 200 taka profit. We have sold Punjabi total 11 pieces with the total price of 5,500 taka. Here we have made a profit of 3,300 taka. 3 fotuas have been sold for 600 taka with a profit of 450 taka. All the t-shirts have sold with a profit of 2700 taka. And lastly, 8 baby dresses have sold at a good price too. Let's talk about our another product, which is handmade jewelry. Handmade jewelry manufacturing process includes dedicated research by our team members. The natural components of jewelry, wood base, acrylic color, glue, stone, metals and accessories will undergo multiple processes which are unique and also require a lot of time, skills and efforts. Personalized jewelry are also available here which are handcrafted. We have handmade necklace, bracelet, earring and full set of jewelry. Let's see some of our handmade design jewelry. These are some of our beautiful wooden jewelry set which already have gotten good reviews from the customers and has a high demand still now. Have a look to our exclusive wooden bracelet set. In the last 1 year, we have sold 21 pairs of earring and have gotten 735 taka profit. By selling 15 necklaces, we have gotten 675 taka and from bracelet the profit has been 1000 taka. Jewelry set 1 and set 2 has been sold with the profit of 950 taka and 1105 taka. It means our total profit was 4465 taka. According to BBS, total 109 million people are capable of doing productive work where almost 45% people are unemployed. Our focus will be on them. The next 2 years, our aim to produce 10,000 products and give training to minimum 1,200 people and give job to 5,000 unemployed people. Thanks for watching our video.